What is up, guys? It's Simon from PianoPig.com, and in this first ever Chord of the Month I wanted to start off with something relatively nice and simple, and it's going to be a voicing for a minor 9 chord, which sounds like this. So let's go over to the piano and I will show you how to play it. So in the key of C minor, here it is. So this is a rootless voicing, meaning that the root note is not actually within the voicing, but we can just play it down below in the left hand. And if we break this down, we've got the flat 7, the 9th, the flat 3rd, and the 5th. So a little trick to easily remember this in any key is to play the minor triad and then replace the root note with the 2 notes either side of it, a tone away. So we've got our C here, and we want to replace it with these 2 notes. Is it a tone up and a tone down? So play the minor triad and replace the root note with those 2 notes. And that gives us that lovely minor 9 voicing. So let's quickly go over it in a few different keys. Let's try it in the key of G minor. Play the minor triad and replace the root note with the 2 notes either side of it, a tone away. And that gives us the 7, 9, 3rd and 5th. One more time in the key of A minor. Play the minor triad, replace the root note, and then we have our minor 9 voicing again. So when could you actually use this voicing? Well, once you've learnt it and sort of got it in your ears, you will start to recognise it everywhere. It's a really common voicing, and it can be used to replace any minor chords in almost any situation. It gives a really nice warm sound. So for example, in some sort of basic 2-chord jam, you could just use it to make things a bit more interesting. You could use it when playing 2-5-1s in jazz. You could use it in some neo-soul type progressions. So those first 3 chords were all that minor 9 voicing. Or even the PianoPig intro. More on that one in the future. But the point is, it's a really versatile voicing that you can use in so many situations. So it's a great one to really master and be familiar with in every key. So that's it for this Chord of the Month. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you next time.